Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rising Star Academy for more educational content. India. Summary. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's role in Indian independence. If you want PDF notes of this video, link in description available. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, also known as the Iron Man of India, was a key leader in the Indian freedom struggle and post-independence unification of India. His contribution spanned political movements, legal leadership, and administrative integration. Early life and entry into freedom struggle. Born in 1875 in Gujarat, Patel was initially a successful barrister. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi, he joined the Indian national movement and quickly emerged as a leader known for discipline, integrity, and fearlessness. Key contributions. 1. Kheda Satyagraha, 1918. Patel led the farmers of Gujarat to demand tax relief during famine. It was his first major political success. 2. Bardoli Satyagraha, 1928. When the British increased land revenue, Patel mobilized peasants in Bardoli. After months of struggle, the government rolled back the hike, earning Patel the title Sardar, leader. 3. Civil Disobedience Movement, 1930. Patel was arrested multiple times for mobilizing protests, urging people to boycott British goods and laws. 4. Quit India Movement, 1942. Patel played a key role in organizing resistance. Though arrested, he maintained unity among Congress leaders. 5. Integration of princely states, post 1947. After independence, as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister, Patel oversaw the integration of 562 princely states into the Indian Union through diplomacy and, if needed, force, like in Hyderabad and Junagadh. 6. Foundations of Civil Services. Patel was a strong advocate for a robust administrative system and laid the foundation for the Indian Civil Services (IAS) as a neutral and efficient administrative tool. 25 important MCQs with explanations. 1. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Answer. B. Explanation. Sardar Patel earned this title for his firm approach in integrating princely states. 2. Which movement gave Sardar Patel the title Sardar? A. Champaran. B. Kheda. C. Bardoli. D. Quit India. Answer. C. Explanation. The 1928 Bardoli Satyagraha earned him this title from women of the region. 3. The Kheda Satyagraha was related to A. Land tax during drought. B. Salt law. C. Protest against Rowlatt Act. D. Partition. Answer. A. Explanation. Patel led the farmers demanding tax exemption due to crop failure. 4. Sardar Patel was the first underscore of independent India. A. Prime Minister. B. Defense Minister. C. Home Minister. D. President. Answer. C. Explanation. He served as Deputy PM and the first Home Minister of India. 5. Which princely state did Patel integrate using police action in 1948? A. Kashmir. B. Hyderabad. C. Junagadh. D. Mysore. Answer. B. Explanation. Operation Polo was the police action used to annex Hyderabad. 6. Patel's profession before joining politics was A. Teacher. B. Lawyer. C. Doctor. D. Clerk. Answer. B. Explanation. He practiced law and was a barrister before entering politics. 7. In which year was Patel born? A. 1869. B. 1875. C. 1885. D. 1901. Answer. B. Explanation. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on the 31st of October 1875. 8. What was Patel's role in the Quit India movement? A. Silent spectator. B. British supporter. C. Organizer and leader. D. None. Answer. C. Explanation. He was one of the top Congress leaders arrested during the movement. 9. What was Patel's main contribution post-independence? A. Drafting constitution. B. Leading parliament. C. Integrating princely states. D. Framing policies. Answer. C. Explanation. He unified over 500 states into the Indian Union. 10. The civil services system in India was strongly supported by A. Gandhi. B. Nehru. C. Patel. D. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. C. Explanation. Patel considered the IAS vital for a united India. One-line short question 11. Operation Polo was launched to integrate which state? Answer. Hyderabad. 12. What award was posthumously given to Patel in 1991? Answer. Bharat Ratna. 13. Where is the Statue of Unity located? Answer. Gujarat, Narmada district. 14. Patel's political ideology was mostly aligned with. Answer. Gandhian principles and unity. 15. Who called Patel the Bismarck of India? Answer. Historians and political scholars. 16. Patel played a key role in which Congress session? Answer. Karachi session, 1931. 17. Patel was associated with which party throughout his life? Answer. Indian National Congress. 18. Patel's leadership was most evident in dealing with. Answer. Princely states and internal security. 19. What was Patel's view on partition? Answer. He accepted it reluctantly for peace. 20. Who was Patel's political mentor? Answer. Mahatma Gandhi. 21. What is celebrated on the 31st of October in India? Answer. National Unity Day. 22. Patel was the first chairman of. Answer. Advisory Committee on Minorities. 23. Statue of Unity was inaugurated in which year? Answer. 2018. 24. Sardar Patel's collected speeches are called. Answer. Sardar Patel's correspondence. 25. Who succeeded Patel as Home Minister? Answer. C. Rajagopalachari.